Don't miss this opportunity to own this newly built, luxurious townhouse condo on a quiet tree-lined street in red-hot East Arlington, Massachusetts. Having your own yard space is more important now than ever, and this fenced-in space is large and flat with lush green grass. It has a lovely stone patio, and it's equipped with a sprinkler system and its own gas line for easy outdoor grilling. The private covered entry opens to a wonderfully impressive open floor plan featuring a spacious living room, dining room, and kitchen with stunning custom woodwork featuring wide crown moldings and custom architectural wall woodwork. Perfect for modern family living and entertaining, the chic and stylish kitchen has attractive Galaxy granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, excellent cabinet space, a large peninsula, and direct access to the spectacular private yard. An attractive half bath, laundry, direct access to the basement garage, and extra closets round out the first level. An attractive white staircase leads you to the second level, where you'll find two generous-sized bedrooms, which are separated by a fantastic open room, large enough for 2 desks. And there's also a lovely full bath. Wonderful features include 3-car parking with a 2-car garage, gleaming hardwood floors, central air conditioning, on-demand gas hot water, and fantastic closet space. A pet is also allowed. This is a smart technology home with Nest thermostats, a Nest doorbell camera, smart lighting, smart garage opener, smart irrigation control, LED lighting, and USB outlets. As you enter the third-level master suite, which encompasses the entire third floor, you'll be wowed by the impressive size of this room, the natural light, and the warm gas fireplace. Bask in the spa-like bathroom with marble tile, a whirlpool tub, 2 separate vanities, and the glass-encased tile shower. Be spoiled by the enormous walk-in closet with its smart separation and built-in storage system. Most errands can be accomplished on foot from this outstanding location, and WalkScore.com gives this location a Biker's Paradise score of 95. Also, this home is just minutes from fun and exciting areas like the Alewife Greenway Bike Path, which leads to the Alewife Red Line subway station, the Capitol Movie Theater, the Minuteman Bike Path, Arlington Center, art galleries, libraries, several playgrounds and parks, Spy Pond, the Mystic River, Cambridge, Tufts University, and Davis Square in Somerville. This is a lifestyle game changer. Simply move in, relax, and enjoy all that luxury living has to offer in this magnificent location.